Today we're in my own rural property here outside of Albany, New York, and we're building a pergola. This spot was kind of underutilized and it was overgrown with some wildflowers. We do plan to put a table and chairs out here, maybe a couple couches, and just have more living space out here closer to the woods. So the design actually came from the Simpson Strong-Tie Pergola Planner, which is right on their website. It's super easy to use. There were just a ton of features to it. You can do 3D modeling, 2D floor plan, you can add furniture, you can change the landscape. All I really needed to do was input the dimensions of the footprint of the pergola itself, and the software created a materials takeoff for lumber as well as hardware. There were a couple choices from an aesthetic standpoint with the hardware. We actually chose the Mission line because I knew that it was available at my local lumberyard. And my wife also really liked the design.